Hello. Welcome to Gian's vlog. And tonight I'll gonna show you how LightShot work. So if you are asking what is a LightShot, it is an app for taking a screenshot. So in my previous video tutorial, I already talked about the snipping tool. So the difference between snipping tool and LightShot is that snipping tool is already built in on our laptop and computers, while LightShot is you are the one to download it from the internet. So let's open our browser and then just type LightShot. Let's wait. So here, so I'll just open that one. And if you are using LightShot for Windows, you can download it from here, or if you are using LightShot for Mac, you can download it here. So I already downloaded a LightShot earlier, so let's minimize our browser, and then here, as you can see, I already downloaded my LightShot and I pin it here so I can easily locate my apps. So let's take a screenshot and try our LightShot. In LightShot, so in using LightShot, you can use the keyboard shortcut. Just simply click print screen. So here, and then take the area you want to have your screenshot. So for example, here. But you decided to go beyond that area, so you just simply adjust it here. Find this little box here, then just drag, and then you can just simply save it here, or copy this screenshot, or just save it or upload it on the cloud. So just click it here. So let's try to add something on our let's try to add something about our screenshot. So for example, let's emphasize, let's emphasize something on our screenshot. So you can explore it here. You can use pen, you can use line. Example, let's use this pen like that, or simply use this line if you want, or this one rectangular to create a box, or a marker, or just create or add text regarding your specific screenshot. And then you can use arrow here. So I am recommending LightShot because you can easily use this feature here, so you can send it right away to your clients or to your team staff, and then or you just simply click it here to save it to the cloud, then send them the link. So let's wait. here, so simply copy that link and you can view easily. You don't care if you want, so it also saves your time. Here, as you can see, LightShot provide a link to your screenshot if you save it from the cloud. So that's it for tonight. So if you're having a difficulty in taking a screenshot, you can simply choose from this snipping tool or LightShot. I already have a previous video tutorial for snipping tool, and here is my video tutorial for the LightShot. So if you like this video, please don't hesitate to comment, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. So see you on my next video.